Alright, it's been a while since I made my last video, so I was waiting for this one to get here. I pre-ordered the frame glasses back in February and it took about 8 months, 7 months to get here. I got it like 2 weeks ago. Let's unbox it and review it. So this is the only box you get, and inside you have your glasses. You get two of them. You have a picture of the Brilliant team and another paper for the tutorials. So you also get some, I don't know, nose things. I don't know what you call these. You get two of them. I've already broken one. Yeah, so watch out for this. So right inside this little case, you have the glasses. I ordered the smoky black. You also get the cool gray and the H2O. The H2O is transparent, so you can see all the components inside the glasses. So right off the bat, you can see, I don't know if you can see from here, but you have the prism that is here, which the screen that is up in the right lens will project right towards the prism, and the prism will display it in front of you. Here in the hands, you have the batteries, and you have this orange thing which is called Mr. Power. So this is another battery that can wirelessly, well, I don't know if it counts wireless, but you can charge your device on the go. So this one can be your power bank, maybe. You can charge it via USB-C, which is amazing. And then you can give it, plug it here. And also when you are not using the device, you can plug it in so that the glasses go to sleep and you save on battery. So the glasses, you have one 720p camera right here. You have your microphone right here. You have your screen underneath the right lens. You have your prism right here, and you have some touch, I don't know, touchpads or not, but you have tap sensors, so you can tap once or tap twice. On each side, on the left side and the right side. And you have some other electronics right here, which is amazing how they could make this so compact, and they look like normal glasses. Not bad, they're strong. I'm not gonna bend them like Linus did in his video, but these are really amazing. And the bonus point is that they are open source. If you are not a developer, you could maybe hire a developer and they can code for you, but if you're a developer, then this can be a nice tool to play with and, gain some experience, do some cool projects. So we are still at the early stage of AI devices and, AR glasses maybe. But this device is not for everyone. It's really focused for developers, and I don't think anyone, like 99% of people, won't buy it because it's not really that useful for everyone. But it can just show you the potential of devices and what they could look like in maybe 5 years or 10 years or even less. I'm just going very far, but maybe the potential is really unlimited. It's just your imagination. For example, let's say it can be an extension of your phone. For example, you have your watches, we have our earphones, headphones, and then we can have our glasses. For example, we could just put them on, and then maybe I get a notification on my phone, and then I can display it here instead of getting my phone out or like looking at my watch, and then maybe I have an assistant right here. I can tap, speak to it, ask questions on the go. I have a camera. I can maybe translate some paper, or I don't know, I went to another country and I can't speak that language or read their language. So I can just tap, hey, can you translate this menu for me? And then it gets translated quickly. Yes, you can do it on your phone too, but maybe some places or sometimes you just want to have the glasses, quickly tap, translate this for me, tap, very quickly. This is just the potential, and you can do anything with it. You could display your song, which song is playing, and then you can ask the assistant to skip, or just tap and skip to the next song or the previous song, or get any information on the go. The best thing that these glasses offer is the AI assistant. So we all have Siri, we all have Google Assistant, or now Gemini. Best thing we do is, okay Siri, okay Gemini, set a reminder for me for 9 p.m. to do my homework. And that's what they can do mostly. But these, since they are open source, you could just write your own functions, you could write your own anything. Just the only limitation is your imagination. So you could do anything with them. That's why they are good for developers, in my opinion. But this just shows you the potential that these kinds of devices can have in the future.